Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Clorox Clean Bleach Gel. Okay, so it comes in this 2-pack. Let's open it up. And we get 2 of these. Now, to dispense it's a gel, it's a cleaning gel. You're going to pinch these little tabs right here. So when you pinch these little tabs, now I can turn it. Otherwise, if you just try turning it, it's got a lock. There's a lock. So you got to pinch, there's like a flat spot here and here. Just pinch those and now I can rotate it. It doesn't come all the way off, it just opens up like that. It's gonna come out in a line shape let's go try it out. So it does say to flush your toilet first, then apply 6 ounces of this product under and around the rim. Then we're gonna use a scrub brush, scrub the entire bowl with a stiff brush and allow to sit for 5 minutes for sanitizing or 10 minutes for disinfecting. Okay, so you're simply gonna angle it. You do wanna kind of get it up there, but it does cling to the sides. All right, now get a scrub brush, and again, you can scrub it all nice, get down in there. And then at this point, after you get done scrubbing, you can either let it sit 5 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on how much sanitizing and clean you want your toilet. All right. All right, so it does look like I did a good job. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.